Hey, what's up, fam? Reggie P here. Hey, you know the electric car company called Tesla? And do you know that feature on Tesla called Autopilot that allows you to just sit back and the car drives itself? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $200 a day on Autopilot. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on Autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $200 a day on Autopilot. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money on internet, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped on my channel. Now, are you having trouble getting more views and subscribers on your YouTube channel? Well, all you have to do is click on the link below that says my #1 tool that I recommend you can use right now to get more views and subscribers for your YouTube channel. So just click on that link below in the description. Please watch this video to the very end because there are a couple of steps you need to follow. If you just watch half of these steps, you won't understand how to implement this method and be successful at it. So please watch the video all the way to the end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method.
All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Clickbank. You may have heard of this website before. It's a very popular website that has all type of digital products. All right. And so if you don't have this account, if you don't have this on this website, it's easy to sign up. So once you sign up, what you're going to do is go to the marketplace and you're going to search for where it says find products. And I went ahead, just for the sake of this video, I went ahead and picked health and fitness, which is a popular niche. And you just see it right here where it says categories. That's where you find the niche. And then once you get the niche, all the products going to pop up. They're going to pop up under popularity. But what we're going to do here is we're going to change that to gravity. And what gravity does is show you the top selling products under health and fitness. So now this is the top product right here, flat belly fix. And as you can see, there's the affiliate page link. Once you sign up, you're going to be able to get your own affiliate link. Now, make sure the product is in between $15 and about $70 or $80. You don't want to go too high on the product, on the price. Get a product that's too high in price, then the person not going to want to buy it because it's going to be an impulse purchase for the buyer. Now let's just click on what this product is about. So they're going to see this when they pop up. When it pops up, it says this super simple morning habit accidentally melted 84 pounds of fat. So person that's into health and trying to lose weight will be interested in this. All right, let's go back here. And when we promote it, we're going to click on this button where it says promote. And it's going to take you to this page. And once you log in and everything, it's going to ask you to put in your nickname So you put a nickname in there, and the tracking ID is optional. You don't have to put that in there. And then you're going to hit this button that says generate hop link. Once that generate the hop link, you're going to use that link as your affiliate link to advertise. Now, you're probably wondering how we're going to advertise and how we're going to get a lot of people to buy this. Well, this is step one. I'm telling you where to go to get the product. Step two is I'm going to show you what tool we're going to use or what site we're going to use to draw traffic. And I'm going to show you the method you need to use on that site to draw the traffic. So let's go to step two. Okay, I'm on YouTube, and what we're going to do is make a video. But we're not going to show our face on the video, and we don't really have to talk on the video unless you want to. So what you're going to do, we're going to go to Creative Commons, which is right down here. So you're going to already select it. You're going to select Creative Commons. And to get there, it's going to be at the top of YouTube. It's going to say filter. You're going to click on that to go to Creative Commons. Once we go to Creative Commons, and we're going to pull up new videos that you can use, but we're not going to actually use the video and repost it. What we're going to do is, let's scroll down here. We're going to look for a very popular video. All right, here's one right here. It is kind of old, like 8 years ago, but it has 5.1 million.
This is $10,000.
So
in
let's
my
just
hand.
skip here. And what we're going to do is,
Hi everybody, Laura London here.
just skip through here.
7. I'll show you one.
And let me stop it. And what we're going to do is download this video here, and you can use any YouTube download software. And we're going to download this video, and we're going to edit. We're going to edit this video. We're going to take some parts out. We're going to take some parts out. You can make it a real short video, or you can add more by going through Creative Commons and getting some other videos, and we're just gonna make a compilation video. So once we make that compilation video, and we're gonna upload it. Matter of fact, you can use any type of, to make your to put the compilation video together, you can use any free software, maybe like any video editor like Movie Maker for Windows or iMovie for Mac. You can use any of either one of those softwares to make it. They're free to use. Or you can go to this other website. It's called Wave.video. You can use that. I've talked about that in my other videos. You can use Wave.video and use some of their videos, or you can, copy and paste some things. You can edit it over there also, and use some cuts from here and place it in those videos. So what you're going to do, the last thing you're going to do is, once you upload your video, you're going to put your affiliate link from Clickbank down here in the description, just like they got one down here, says my website. So you're going to have one, and you're going to say like the #1 recommended product that make your belly flat real fast. And you're going to have your affiliate link there. They're going to click that, and they go to the site, If they're interested, they'll buy it and you get a commission. And videos like this, since this video is already popular, it's probably still getting views. People are going to see that video and be attracted to it, and you're going to get more and more views. So once we get a lot of views, a percentage of those people are going to click on that link because they're going there because they are interested in losing body fat. So that's the method.
All right, now you know the method, and now you know what you need to use to implement this method and start making that money. So make sure you sign up with Clickbank, pick a product, get your affiliate link, go over to YouTube, use Creative Commons, pick a popular video, edit that video, and put your own twist to it. Repost that video onto your channel, and make sure you put your link in the description of the video, so when people see it, all they have to do is just click on that link and they will find your product, they buy the product, and you get a percentage of it. So that's all you have to do. All right, thank you for watching all the way to this point. And for doing so, I'm going to tell you about a way you can get free money. Now, what I'm doing is I'm currently trying to get to 300 subscribers. It's been going kind of slow, but I know I'll get there. Now, once I reach 300 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky person, a lucky subscriber that leaves a comment down below. I'm going to reward them with a $20 cash or $20 Amazon gift card. So all you have to do is just leave a comment down below and a comment on my future videos leading up to the 300 subscribers. And I'm going to just randomly pick a comment, and I'm going to reward that person with the money or the gift card. It's their choice. All right, that's all I have for today. Please smash that like button if you like what I've talked about today. Drop a comment down below so I can give you that free money to you guys. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. All right, again, thank you for tuning in. That's all I have for today, but you don't have to leave just yet. You can watch one of my recommended videos right here, or you can watch one of my recent videos right there. Now go watch either one of those videos right now, right after I tell you this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Oh great, I see you guys still here. You can watch this video over here or that video over there right now. Get your grind on.